3 साल बीत गया लॉर्ड्स, अभी तक चार्ज भी फ्रेम नहीं हुआ है और हमारा कोई एंटीसीडेंट भी नहीं है लॉर्ड्स। और हम बहुत गरीब परिवार से आते हैं लॉर्ड्स, हम केवल सिंगल ब्रेड अर्नर हैं लॉर्ड्स। अर्लियर लॉर्ड्स, petition of this petitioner was rejected by the annexure 1 lords, that is on page number 18. Earlier rejected lords by the annexure 1 lords, that is on page number 18 and 19 lords. Allegation lords is that lords 750 kilogram of Ganjha was recovered from a tanker lords, and 2 persons were found inside.
No, please come to page 19.
Lords.
So your application was dismissed with reference to section 37 of the Act.
Lords.
Now whether the situation has changed?
Lords, I want to draw your kind attention to this fact, lords, that till date, lords, charges has not been framed, lords, and I am in custody since 24/8/19, lords. Number 1, lords.
The court is helpless.
Lords. Lords. And secondly, lords, I have brought, lords, 2 decisions, lords. One decision is about section 37 of the NDPS, lords, which says, lords, that section 37 is not applicable under section 20 and 29 of NDPS Act, lords, in which this case has been taken cognizance, lords. Section 67, lords, Tufan Singh case, lords, I have also, lords, brought for my assistance, lords, in which, lords, it says, lords, in this case, lords, your lordship will find, lords, in this case, lords, only the confessional statement, on the basis of confessional statement, the prosecution has dragged this petitioner in this case, lords, only, lords. And in Tufan Singh case, lords, elaborately discussed, lords, that confession made before the officer is not admissible, not trustworthy, lords. And one decision is, lords, for your lights, lords, assistant, lords, is
no, the Supreme Court, according to you, says that section 37 will not apply in for these sections 20B and C.
Lords.
It's impossible.
Lords, I am passing, lords. This is reported in.
Please come to section 37 first.
Lords.
Please come to section 37.
Lords, it applies only. It says, lords, offences to be cognizable and non-bailable, notwithstanding anything contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973A. Every offence punishable under this Act shall be cognizable. No person accused of an offence punishable for offences under section 19 or section 24 or section 27A.
Please stop here. Please give a pause.
Lords.
So for these sections and also for offences involving commercial quantity,
Lords.
irrespective of the section.
Lords.
Therefore, you are reading which decision?
I am reading a decision, lords,
Of?
reported in 2005 Criminal Law Journal,
Yes.
page 2112, lords.
Yes.
It says, lords,
Yes.
Section 37 applies only in respect of offences under section 19, 24 and 27A, and for the offences involving commercial quantity.
Yes.
Said restrictions or limitations is not applicable so far as other offences under the Act are concerned.
So this is what I am observing.
Lords.
Then what?
And this case was, the cognizance has been taken under section 20 and 29 laws of the NDPS law.
Sir, Counsel, the quantity is commercial, section 37 applies.
Law.
You were making a submission that this section 37 does not apply, and you are relying on Supreme Court's decision. That decision is against you.
And
No Supreme Court decision can be against the provisions under the law.
Lords. And so far, Lords, and recently, Lords, Tufan Singh case, Lords, section 67, Lords, it has been levelly stated, Lords, that it is not admissible in the eye of law.
That plea is available to you before the trial court, not here.
Lord, 3 साल बीत गया, Lords, अभी तक चार्ज भी फ्रेम नहीं हुआ है और हमारा कोई एंटीसीडेंट भी नहीं है, Lords.
Very
और
difficult
हम
for
बहुत
this
गरीब
court.
परिवार से आते हैं, Lords. हम केवल सिंगल ब्रेड अर्नर हैं, Lords.
Sorry.
और हमारा कोई, मान लीजिए, इस प्रकार का जो चार्जशीट आया, Lords,
Maybe.
इसमें कहीं कोई संभावना नहीं है कि इस केस में फिर से पढ़ेंगे, Lords. और हम अंडरटेकिंग देने के लिए तैयार हैं, मेरी वाइफ ही अंडरटेकिंग देने के लिए तैयार है,
Who
Lords.
is for the Union of India?
ये बहुत यंग एज का लड़का है, Lords. गलती से इसमें इसका परिवार बहुत परेशान है, Lords. भूखे मर रहा है, Lords. गार्ड का नौकरी करता था दिल्ली में, Lords. सिंपल. ये आया हुआ रिकॉर्ड पर, Lords.
There is no exception to section 37. Therefore, I cannot accept your submission. The petitioners, ऊपर लिख दोगे? The petitioners, ऊपर लिख दोगे? This application is for the petitioner's prayer for bail was earlier rejected by this court by an order dated 2/3/2020, taking into account the accusation of a recovery of commercial quantity of Ganjha from the petitioner's possession.
One thing I also want to raise, Lords.
He being the driver of the vehicle from where the recovery was made. Driver of the oil tanker, in the light of the provisions under section 37 of the Act. So stop. Next. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner has submitted that there has not been any substantial progress at the trial. Also stop. Trial, and therefore the petitioner deserves to be released on bail. So stop. I am not inclined to accept this submission in view of clear provision under section 37 of the Act, which was the reason why the petitioner's similar prayer for bail was earlier rejected by this court. Also, this application is accordingly dismissed. Stop. The court, however, expects that the court below shall make sincere endeavor to ensure early conclusion of the trial arising out of the aforesaid PS case number so and so. Yes.
Any time, Lords. Any time, Lords. 3 साल हो गया, Lords.
लिख दिया मैंने.